Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel The DIY Scene. Today in this video I'm going to install protective film for multimedia in my 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. So this is a product which I got from Amazon. It says 9H of hardness, new oil repellents, film, bubble free, original touch. Touch is not going to affect after installing this protective glass. It's real tempered glass. So purchase link for this product I will provide it in the description of this video. Do check it out to make your purchases. Without further ado, let's install this on the multimedia screen. So let's unbox this, what we get in this package. It's some kind of hard packing so that tempered glass do not damage. Here we go. We got accessories and operational user's guide. Keep it on side. This we got installation auxiliary tools. Here's the main product. So that's it. White paper, microfiber cloth, and the stickers to remove the dust. this is back. So the side which get peeled off with this sticker is the back side, which will touch the screen. Let it settle down on its own. So it's installed very nicely, perfectly on the screen. So as you can see, the cuts on all buttons is equal. It's not like unequal. Whatever gap between here, you can see the same gap is here. So wherever you see small whitish part, it will take some time to settle the glue. So, and temperature is also low outside, so that's why this glass screen is hard. It will take some time to completely stick with the screen surface. That's perfect. So give some massage on the areas where you feel some bubbles or air, so that it can stick with the screen surface properly. So this was all about how to install glass protector in your Toyota Corolla LED multimedia screen. So hope this video will help you a lot in doing the same. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God much bless all.